Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix your contacts aren't synced problem on WhatsApp. So this issue happens when WhatsApp can't read your phone's content. So you can fix it in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for WhatsApp Messenger. So once you find WhatsApp Messenger application, you just have to look for if there is any kind of update available. If you see any kind of update available to the WhatsApp application, you just have to update it to the latest version. After that, you just have to go to the settings of your device. Over here in the settings, simply just scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Over here, tap on the option of app management. Then use the search bar here on the top and search for WhatsApp. Now, once you are here inside the app info of WhatsApp, you just have to go to the storage usage section. Over here, tap on the option of clear data, and then you just have to clear your data from here. Now, you can also first try clearing the cache files, and then you can just go to the WhatsApp application and see if it has basically shown you the contacts in your device or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.